how can we minimize the conflicts and infighting amongst members of our community? Can you make some recommendations on how we can unite the profession?
Well, that is a good question, and I would say that all those people who are really professional, they understand the basic principles which are behind homeopathy. If somebody wants to bring a new idea, if it is in the line of the basic laws, principles of homeopathy, there is no problem. But if somebody wants to bring a totally strange idea into this profession, it is good that some people will react and will say, wait a moment, you are saying things which are not according to the basic principles of homeopathy. For instance, somebody says, we do not need the proving of remedies. We just need to imagine what a remedy can do. That is not according to the principles. And if such ideas, or you don't have to potentize properly the remedy, but you have to find different other ways of doing it. This is not according to the principles of homeopathy, because we have some standards. We know how to make a proving, and only based on the proving we can give a remedy. Also, we know how to produce a remedy, and only if we produce it properly, the remedy will act. So as long as the new ideas come into the profession, they are welcomed. But if there are totally crazy ideas, it is good to discuss and to explain why such ideas cannot be accepted.